Alright, so it's really late at night, but I got this package earlier today. This is going in the car. Alright, we got a PlayStation Classic. As you know, I got the Android head unit and it takes video in. So PlayStation Classic actually uses HDMI, but we got this HDMI to video in with the red, white, and yellow wires. So see you in the car.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright, so I'm going to try and install this before I have to go to work. Luckily I have the trim pieces still removed. I didn't know, but it actually comes with 2 controllers, which is great. Got the PlayStation Classic right here. We're going to need this dual USB cable that came with my head unit, because the PlayStation is going to be powered by USB, and then this AV to HDMI converter needs to be powered as well by USB, and because my head unit does not come with an HDMI cable, so we have 2 power plugs here and an HDMI. First things first, we're going to have to take this out again, plug in the USB cable in the back, and then I'm going to run all the wiring to this port right there. And basically the PlayStation is going to sit like this. Not too bad. Unscrew the 3 screws, could let this hang loose, and for that bottom piece it actually just pries out. I think on other Lancers it has like an audio port or something, or a USB, but mine doesn't, and I use Bluetooth anyway. And then we could take this out. I want to be careful, so I'm going to plug in everything in the back and then start running my wires through that hole in the bottom. Got my USB port plugged in this white plug right there. Of course, since I already had a backup camera, I had to use some video cables already. So my converter plugs in to there. All you have to do is match up the wires, which is easy. And I'm going to plug in the HDMI to the back of this, run it through the hole in the bottom, as well as my USB power. Alright, I know this isn't a great angle, but it's all I got. So, plugged in the USB to the back of the head unit. This goes to the PlayStation. And then from here, we're going to run the HDMI to the PlayStation. So we're going to plug in one controller first to see if this works. If it does, that's great. If it doesn't, well, I won't have a PlayStation in my car. And of course, we'll clean up the wiring whenever we get a chance. So let's start up the car. it works. It's a little loud. Okay, so what I didn't plan was that the USB port from the head unit doesn't actually apply enough power, but could use the car charger, which isn't that big of a deal. So we could probably just remove this, and that means I could actually just unplug this whenever I want and then hide it to just keep it safe, which is a good thing. But just to show you it works, we're gonna set it up. English. Of course, the screen isn't HD, so it looks kind of weird. Okay, but at least we got a PlayStation in the car. Place some Mr. Driller. Oh man, my lunch breaks are gonna be way more fun. Oh man, oh, system's a lot louder than I thought. Oh man, I haven't played this game in so long. Of course, the screen will look better at night. Alright, just some thoughts. This is pretty easy to set up. I know I didn't go too in depth about this, but if you have a different head unit, it will plug in differently. So this is just my case, and we'll eventually clean up this wiring. Alright, one last update. Clean up all the wires. I just hid the converter right behind the head unit. Just ran the HDMI cable. And I can put all my controllers and my PlayStation console in my glove box. I could keep this car charger in now, which is micro USB, and it turns off when the car is off, so that's no big deal. And then when I'm on break, I just take out the controllers from the glove box, plug it in, and it'll play some games.